as developers, most of us will have deployed our backend services like API to platforms like Heroku and Render. There are several platforms like this. Currently, I took a liking on the Render platform after Heroku stopped their free services. Render is very easy and provide a free tier to deploy our web services. But the thing is, there are some limitations, but it is expected since they are providing it for free. And most of the limitations are manageable if we only have a small user base or if we are just getting started. But there is this one limitation that really annoys me, the spin down on idle limitation, which means our service will spin down if it goes 15 minutes without receiving any requests. And after this 15 minutes, if we send a request to our service, it will take up to 1 minute to turn the service back up. Actually, 1 minute is not a big time for us, but when it comes to the end user, our customers, they will think that our product is slow and it is not good for us, especially if we are a startup starting our journey. And it's an example, okay? So there are two ways to fix this. Of course, the first way is to subscribe for a paid instance, and I know that you are not here to pay. So let's go with the second option, where we can send automated request to our service every 13 or 14 minutes, since the time limit to receive a request is 15 minutes. Okay, so if we send an automatic request every 13 or 14 minutes 40 minute intervals, we can prevent the spin down of the service. So for this, we can create our own script in languages like Python and deploy it as a cron job in Heroku itself. But that's too much work. So let's do one thing. There is a more easy way. We can use a platform named Uptime Robot. So we can use that platform. I have already opened it. So let's go to Uptime Robot and create an account here. I have already created the account. So I can go to the dashboard. Here in my dashboard, I have already added one monitor. You can add one by clicking the add new monitor button. Now select the monitor type. After that, you can give a name. For now, I'm just giving a demo. After that, you can paste the URL. You can just paste the base URL of your API or service here. After that, we can set the monitoring interval. So there we can set up to 24 hours. But for our case, for the case of Render, we can just choose 13 or 14. The Render URL will be something like your service name dot on render.com, and after that we can set the monitor timeout. I'm just setting it to 1 minute. After that, we can select alert contacts to notify. So if we check this, if there are an issue in connecting to a service, we will receive an email to our selected mail. And after that, we can just create the monitor. I'm not creating one because I have given a fake data. And you can do this. You can give your real data, and it will start monitoring your service. And it will take some time to start, but it's not a big time. It will only take like 5 or 6 minutes. I'm not sure about the accurate time. And that's it. After some time, Uptime Robot will start monitoring your deployed service by sending requests to the URL you provided and at the specific time interval. This way we can prevent our service from spinning down on idle. I hope this video helped you. If yes, make sure to like and subscribe to bilcodes for more similar contents. And if you have any doubts or requests, please ask it in the comment section.